Hello, welcome to the channel. This was us last weekend. We found ourselves caught in this hailstorm. 10 minutes before this, we were swimming in the lake.
Wow, it's crazy.
And then we were pelted with hailstones. I'm posting this because I want to address a question many of you have asked me about how to use astrology practically in the daily life. And there is something in the cycles of time that we see in the stars reflected at us, which is so useful for getting a perspective when you find yourself in a situation such as this. This marveling at nature and the change and the combinations of different elements and what they can create. Not only this, but how fleeting something can be, in that this was something only we experienced. It only lasted a short time, and then it too passed. The only thing we could control was our perspective on the situation. And so we took the decision to take it gladly and just enjoy this extremely strange experience. All things pass away.
Look, the sky is clearing.
And then there was calm. The clouds passed us by. And we could be in the aftermath.
Wow.
And experience the thrill of having gone through something like this. Not identifying it as good or bad, just experiencing the changing energies, changing atmosphere, the different sounds and smells and textures and sights and feelings. And feeling the blessing of being able to enjoy it together. Meditation doesn't take place only in a quiet, comfortable, balanced environment. It's all day, every day, in every situation. And it is not conditional on external circumstances.
In camera you can see smoke.
Nature hardly remembers what even happened. It's only ever in that moment. And the feeling of gratitude when we could be dry, when we could be warm, and in the calm, made the calm that much more enjoyable. This is the following day. Swimming in the lake, splashing with the dog. And the dog is also learning how temporary everything is. Just pure joy. So grateful for this experience. The interaction of the water in all different temperatures. The sun, fresh mountain air, and the crystalline rocks, which were sort of buzzing the whole time we were there. The magic is all around, all the time. Every moment is an opportunity to experience more joy and to really feel what's happening and to breathe more and more deeply. And to see that our limits only exist in the mind.
Muy bien, Kiro, muy bien. Perro acuático.
Please subscribe to the channel, comment, share and like this video. Take care.